Microsoft Access or SQL Server, both powerful but built for different needs. Access is best for small to mid-sized teams, internal workflows, and quick deployment. It's ideal for departmental systems, review tools, and staging databases. SQL Server, on the other hand, handles higher data volumes, concurrency, and enterprise integration. It's the right choice when your application becomes part of a larger enterprise workflow. Integration patterns include email ingestion, folder-based submission, or submit buttons in PDFs. Hybrid models combine PDFs for input with databases for system of record storage. What doesn't work? Plain PDFs, scanned files, or expecting databases to read PDFs automatically. Both Access and SQL Server can meet security and compliance standards when configured properly. The bottom line, yes, data can be stored in Access or SQL Server, cleanly and reliably. No, it's not automatic. Integration is key. This is exactly the kind of integration work WSI specializes in. Call 515-239-9900 or visit winningsolutionsinc.com to learn more. Winning Solutions, Inc., building reliable, intelligent database systems for modern business.